Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about something called smart text and why and where and what not. So let's get right into it. Under your drafting, when you insert the text, on the right hand side you have the usual, the style, the layer, justification, height, rotation, width factor, all that stuff. And under text you have insert smart text. So if you look at smart text, there are some few other options. So you can kind of you can pick from some basic smart text properties like easting, northing, elevation, blah blah blah. You can choose where to put the property and so on. Now what I want to focus on is, let's say, the company information and other stuff, how to put it into your smart text. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna hit help, and we're gonna type in smart text codes, and here is this properties and codes, which will kind of give you have these simple properties which are under the smart text, easting, northing, elevation. Then you have object-based properties, and you have project information properties. I want to take a quick peek at the project information properties, because that's how you put in, for example, into your title block, your company information, your personal information, whatever you need to put there. Now whenever you change that information in your properties, it will change your information in the, let's say, the title block. So let's take a quick peek at this. I'm just gonna move this to my other screen so you guys can see it, and we're gonna go and do this. So you're gonna type in at and less than. And since this is a project information property, you're gonna type in P, comma, and let's just scroll down here, and let's say we wanna put in our company name and company, let's say, email. So under company name, this is where at the bottom here, the shortcut is UCN, and I'm gonna end that, and I'm gonna go to another line and hit the same at less than, and I'm gonna go, it's a project property, and I'm gonna type in UACE for the email. As you can see, UACE, it was under email, under your project codes. Now, as you can see, it automatically pulled the information out of my project properties. So when you go to your project properties, project settings, right? Obviously, project settings. And under general information, you have few of them: reference number, project name, description, right, and comment. Then you have company information, which I just pulled, right? So let's say I'm gonna do email, and I'm gonna change that property. And before I hit OK, just don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, whatever. We'll hit that OK right now. So once I hit OK and I updated my project settings, as you guys can see, it automatically updated dependent text. So that would happen with the coordinates as well, because if you move the point or move the entity, everything on that entity would change and it would update. So that's why they call it smart text. I'm gonna hit the erase. So why would I want to have a smart text for a project? Let's say the general information, under description or under project name, I would have some information which I want to use on my title block. Obviously, company information I use on the title block. User information, in the title block, sometimes you have who did the drafting, who did the field, right? So you can update that information over here and pull that information into your title block. So as you would update it here, it would update it in every single title block you have under your print views, for example. So that would be how you do that. Now also, if you do have some report and you run some report, now I don't have any surfaces made, but as you can see, as you remember, let's do that real quick. I'm just gonna do a quick polyline here on the, let's call it, that's existing contours. We'll do 100 elevation 100, and we'll just create a quick original ground, and then we're gonna do a new one on the finish design contours, and I'll do 101. So just a fake little piece here, let's say a pile or something. Now I'm gonna quickly put that on the surface. So this would go under my original, and this would go under my finished. I'll hit that, and I'm gonna go and run report. Let's say surface to surface, original to finished, no boundary, and I hit OK. So it's gonna open that report in your browser, as you can see. And up here, as you see, you have your information. That's being set. This is pulled from the project settings and as the smart text. Oops. So if I go to project settings, and from my company information, that was pulled on and put on the report. So that should answer Peter's question. And yeah, I hope you found this interesting, and we'll see you next one. Stay tuned.